Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Taski Swingo 1850 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we need to replace the solenoid filter assembly because it's bad. Super simple, here's how you do it. First, let's take off the cap to the solenoid. And pull that off. Next, we're going to take Torx 20 and remove these two screws. Just like that. Now we can drop the solenoid filter assembly. Next step, we are going to remove the inlet side hose from the solenoid filter assembly. Get a flathead. Pop that piece off just like that. Okay, so now what we need to do is remove the outlet side hose. You're going to loosen the hose clamp right here on the hose. And then we're going to pull the hose off the solenoid. Now all we need to do is unplug the solenoid from the machine. Right here, just pull those off, and there's your old solenoid. Okay, to install your new solenoid, all you gotta do is reverse the steps of taking it off. Go ahead, get your new solenoid and plug it back in. Okay, after you've got it plugged in, what you want to do is you want to take the outlet side hose and put it back on the new solenoid and tighten that hose clamp back down. Okay, now we want to do the inlet side. Just take the plunger, push it back down on top of the solenoid just like that. Now all we have to do is realign it to the machine and screw it back to the machine. Okay, now with it realigned, all we gotta do is tighten down the Torx 20 screws, and then we'll put the cap back on. Just like that. Now, put the cap back in. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.